Real nigga vlog. Even though this ain't a part of the vlog, this is just a part of the channel, man. What's good with y'all? So today, we got some very, very, very special guests coming real soon. Anissa's bringing them right now. And while she does that, I'm preparing to roll up. Now this might take a while, cause them little things scratch. And Anissa isn't the most comfortable with getting scratched and big yet. So. People always talk about, do the turtles have a place to rest and stop swimming? Duh. Dun, 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 here they come. Oh, she got both of them at the same time. Hey.
They were climbing out the bathtub.
I bet.
They did not want to be in there. Here, my baby. Oh, they all squeaky clean. Look, it's not paper.
I know. It might be because we watched it.
Did we fuck up the rope?
No. Okay, YouTube. So, we're here with what is actually probably might potentially be my favorite animals in the apartment. This ain't no facility. I rescued a bunch of animals in my apartment and we're moving to a facility. So, these guys are called albino iguanas. And they were just in the water, so they were tired. Y'all saw them swimming, trying to get away from me. But man, these things are cool as hell. Literally, I know everybody has heard of the green iguana growing up. I'll put a picture right here. Everybody that heard of the green iguana. Most niggas just call it a regular iguana. These are the albino variant of it. So, a regular green iguana, just albino. They still gonna get this big. They gonna be really cool. And these dudes came all the way from Florida. If y'all don't know, recently Florida banned all iguanas and tegus as pets unless you get them registered and a whole bunch of other bullshit laws. So people have just been selling their whole collections. And we got to get these guys for relatively cheap. They still were not cheap at all, but compared to what they usually go for, we got a good deal on them. And what you think, babe? They got pretty big since we got them, right?
Yeah.
They used to be like this big, probably.
And they're way calmer.
Way calmer. Yeah, look, they're literally just chilling right here. We put one of them right here. Let's see. Oh, don't knock the weed over now. And she just don't stay on my wrist. She gonna bite me?
He actually sleep.
Yeah. We know you're not asleep, dude. And this is the one with the regrown tail. That's kind of how we could tell which one is a male and which one is a female, even though we also know that the male is bigger than the female. I don't want you going all the way up there. So now I'm going to teach them how to roll. So y'all know, like usual, if we had an animal roll for us, oh my gosh, look at her.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
The bearded dragons will smoke.
Maybe I'll teach them how to roll next.
That was pretty.
Oh shit. Oh, you want to show the camera? Oh, you can record it on your phone and send it to me. Yeah, that's fine.
No, I could just move it like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, they trying to eat the iguana. Oh my God. Babe, why are your bearded dragons like this?
I don't know.
Both of them. Really just this one.
Stop traumatizing anyone.
Poor iguanas. Alrighty, so now we're gonna try to keep the male up on my right arm.
He's a little bit more.
Yeah, he's definitely more active than her. Oh, look at that. And so these guys are actually not found in the wild. Albino iguanas are super, super, super rare. Like, really, oh, Milo. But yeah, albino iguanas are super, super, super rare. If you were looking to buy one, you would be looking around $500 to $1,000 just for one. So very, very expensive. And to care for them, it's not that hard actually. Not gonna lie, especially if you're in a warm state like Florida, you can keep them outside. That's what we plan on, keeping them in the greenhouse. What else? The diet, they're not vegetarians, herbivores, so they eat fruits and veggies, that's it. We don't give them insects or any that other kind of stuff, even though they might eat insects in the wild a little bit. But mostly they eat plants and fruit, regular green iguanas. And yeah, these guys are found, regular green iguanas are found in South America, but like I said, you can't find these in the wild at all. They would not survive. They stick out like a sore thumb, and literally something would eat them. Alrighty guys, what do y'all think about the albino iguanas? Personally, I keep saying it. The albino iguanas are my favorite animals here right now, just because of how cool they look. They just be chilling like this usually. If you go back to some of the videos, this guy definitely gets his bites in on me a few times a week. But overall, these guys are awesome. Can't complain, can't complain. And the guy we got them from has way more bigger ones as well, but we'll probably just stick with these, grow them out, and if we get more money, we might get some more. But for now, I'm content with these guys. They are awesome. What do y'all think, man? Would you get some albino iguanas? What is my favorite animal that y'all have? No, what is your favorite animal that I have in the collection? We're probably gonna do a 1,000 subscriber full apartment tour of all the animals. So stay tuned for that. And thank y'all, we keep growing, keep pushing. Yeah.